Hi guys, and today, ito yung video ko noon, yung bumili ako ng pulbos na skincare. Ako yun na, yung naka-glasses ha. Ako yung naka-glasses ha. Okay? Ipapanarin ko sa'yo. Kasi may bawang skincare. Oh, I forgot to do my skincare. This is my new skincare, guys. My new skincare. We just bought it. We just bought it in SM Mart. SM Mart. Oh, no. We got it in SM.